Field has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Cape Charles Light to Virginia, North Carolina border out to 40 nautical miles until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Ready Inlet to 6 nautical miles east of Chesapeake Light Tower, moving northeast at 5 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Chesapeake Light Tower around 7:55 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.